13, 14, and 15, we're doing vector addition and scalar multiplication. And just like you probably think would happen, if I am going to find 6s, I am going to take 6 times my vector, which is negative 6, 5, which basically just means I'm going to take 6 times each of those values. So I am going to get negative 36, 30, and that's going to be my answer when I take 6 times s. If I'm going to do s plus t means I'm going to take vector s, which is negative 6, 5. I'm going to add the components in the same spots of the 7 of the negative 9. So if I add those together, negative 6 plus 7 would give me 1. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. And so my new vector then is 1, negative 4. So 6 times s gave me negative 36, 30. S plus t gave me 1, negative 4. So I'm 14. Given the vector m is 9, negative 8, and n is negative 6, negative 2, find 5m. So 5m means I'm taking 5 times vector m, which is 9, negative 8. I would then end up at 45, negative 40. The second part of that wants us to find m minus n. So I'm going to take my m, which is 9, negative 8. I have to subtract the negative 6, negative 2. Now we know when we subtract, we end up adding the opposite. So I'm going to make that a positive and that a positive. And then just combining my terms, 9 plus 6 would give me 15. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So when I subtract, I add the opposite, so I changed both those signs, and then I just combined my like terms. And number 15, same kind of thing here. I'm going to do 7a first, so 7 times my a vector means I'm going to take 7 times negative 6 and negative 1. So I would end up with negative 42, negative 7. And then I'm also going to do a plus b. So I'm going to take negative 6, negative 1. I'm going to add the 2, negative 4. Adding the numbers in the same spots. The negative 6 plus the 2 would be negative 4. Negative 1 plus negative 4 would be negative 5. And that's all there is to those ones.